see the carrot opening the shutters to birdwatch. That man quickly closes them. Carrot is not going to have it, and so he continuously opens them back up.
Oh, what are you doing?
This guy is optimistic to walk on the water. This was hard. Look at the sleepy cat and kitten try to awake her. This puppy has ball with him, but he dropped the ball, accidentally, when girl teases him.
Oh, where's your ball? Where's your ball?
This penguin is very happy when walking in the coolest environment. Look at the cat on the floor looking curiously at the camera. Here's the dog, that has only 2 legs, but doesn't seem too bothered about it. This cat and dog are playing and bothering each other. Look at the brown dog, relaxing on his sofa. This person walked into the room, and found their cat stuck between 2 curtains. This person owns an overly aggressive, romantic cat.
Stop. No.
This video show you family walking their pet dog outdoor. This cute baby carried his cat and leave to his place. Look at the duck, resting on a tree log over the lake. This is the end of the video. I hope I make your day better good. Hit the like button, describe your emotions in the comment box. And what next video you would like to watch? Tell us in the comment box. Make sure to subscribe, so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.